Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about 3D printer. So let's begin. As we can see here written ATL 3D printer. ATL. Basically ATL is a Atal Thinking Lab which provide a workspace where young minds can give their shares to their ideas. So this type of company provide this basic 3D printer for the fabrication process. We can see all the equipment setups has been assembled for the 3D printer. We can see the close view. Here we can see a roller. It's a filament roller through which we can carry out our fabrication process. So we can see the close view. Here is the base where the fabrication is done. We can see the wire setups. Rod has been assembled according to axis movement, for which we need for the fabrication process. In all directions we can easily move it, and the base is vertically moved downward. Here we can see fabrication part which is already done in the lab earlier. It's a cube like structure. We can see it's looking so pretty. So we can see we can see a cute little bot which has been already designed and then extruded and then fabricated. It's a sample. We can assume it as a sample. So it's also looking good, which has been done through PLA material. So we can now see the close view from the down of the base. We can see here it is a data cable which provide for the computer system to convert a steel file into slice layer modeling. We can see nozzle here, nozzle. Now we can see the glasses has been assembled outward of the 3D printer. So it's all about the 3D printer. We can see the name of the 3D printer. It's a STEM Robo Actic printer. So it's all about 3D printer. Thank you.